And welcome to Liam Cooks at Home, Part 3. Here's your host, Stevie.
I don't even know what I'm doing. Hello, that's not Americans. This 25p lemonade atomic bomb. When you're shaking it up now, ban it, Scott, ban it. And now, David.
Today, David.
Let's just start adding ingredients, yeah. Right, we've got a tea.
May I ask who that handsome person behind you is?
That one? Who's that handsome person behind me, David? He's part of the KKK. Anyway.
Let's zoom in and have a close look. Out the way, please, Liam, out the way.
Watch out the way.
Out the way. Say hello, freaky.
Say, I have no part in this.
That's not prepared, let's go.
Right, get out the way.
Watch Barry! Watch Barry!
Get out the way.
Barry's down! No, he's not, it's okay.
Right, let's go. We've got tea bags. 59p.
Okay. Oh, that's that way, please.
In that. You can pass that. Oh, shit. Right, go in. Pass that. We have time.
Pass the shell.
Okay. Chocolate. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna shit. Oh.
Knock one out.
No.
Kendall milk cake. Kendall milk cake.
A bit of the white stuff, a bit of bird shit,
Mhm.
a bit of the white stuff.
Should we just... Have you got that one?
Yeah, more, please.
Want a cracker? Just push it in, yeah. Just push it in.
Right here to Mum last night, push it in.
There we go, what's next?
Fruitcake, biscuit, yogurt thing. Right. This one, jam tart.
The squidgy.
Get it all in. Get it all in, like I said.
Get it all in.
It's tight.
See, now, I've just gone and bought this super de-icer. It's for cars, but as Barry is an automobile, let's give him some.
That'll do. He doesn't like too much. There you go.
There's a fumes in that.
No one likes a match.
That's cooled down.
Bit of vanilla. Oh, what's this? Stuffed nose? Cut for all the soil. Get that in there, lovely jubbly.
Want a bit of lube? Add some olive oil.
This is from Joe's Berry bedroom.
What? Get that in there. 1 minute, people.
Right, Barry likes some Monster Munch, so let's crunch that bad boy up and slot it in there.
Are we taking 2 times?
Just whack it in,
Get some flour.
Oh, we haven't got some syrup in there yet.
Are we taking 2
Bit of
times
syrup.
for this? I'm not going to say this.
That's shit, mate.